Let's just hope I don't turn pink after taking this off. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Hi. Welcome. What's going on? I feel very in character right now. So today's look, if you haven't already guessed, is a devil. I was inspired by Snitchery. Here's her cute little devil right here that she created. She does so many super amazing, like, tutorials and makeups on all different types of like cartoon characters and characters in general, and they're bomb, so make sure to go and check her out. But this is the look I'm going to show you how to get today. It is just tons of pink, tons of red, tons of black, and tons of devil. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, we're starting off with a bare face for this tutorial. I'm just going to put my hair back so we don't get it all pink. And I'm going to be using two different primers. I'm using an illuminating primer from Buxom and then a pore filling primer from Milk Makeup. I want to make sure that I'm definitely using a pore filling primer so that we can make sure the surface of our face is smooth for the paints to go on perfectly. So for paint, I'm using 4 different shades of paint. 3 of them are from Snazaroo, the white, black, and red, and then I'm using this neon vibrant hot pink from Graftobian, and I'm just mixing them together to get this pink. I actually liked the pink that I started out with, but it just got more and more hot pink as it sat on my face. Yeah. So we just kind of like went with it. But I'm painting my entire face, my ears, and the top half of my body, whatever you can see on the video. But if I was wearing this out, guys, I would paint my whole body. Just saying. Just saying. So I'm using a sponge to kind of smooth it out and make sure that it's super pigmented. And then I'm using this Cover FX Power Play Concealer in a white shade. And I'm just going to put this in all of the highlight areas. And I'm going to use this to blend everything out. So once I'm done highlighting everything, I did add a little bit of darker shades to the outer sides of my face, and then I am going to move on to powder to set everything, and then I'm going to use all of these shades from the James Charles Morphe palette to shade even further and really create this devil into a devil. So I really just took like the red and the hot pink to kind of contour my face. I did take a little bit of black, which you'll see in just a second, but it was difficult to blend. So I definitely recommend trying to use the deeper, darker, like red shades rather than jumping straight to black, because I had one hell of a difficult time getting it to blend out. But I'm also doing the exact same thing to the inner corners and like crease of my eye, and then underneath my eye as well. Then for brows, I just decided to do red, and then I created a very similar brow to the way Snitchery created her brows for her cute little devil. And it took me a moment, but I got them perfect. And then I added just some shading with some highlight with some white shadow. Then I'm jumping over to eyeliner. This is the Tarte Maneater eyeliner. I'm winging it out, and then I also did a little wing in the inner corner as well. I'm then taking Burgundy from MAC, and I'm going to line my lips with it. I wanted my lips to be normal, the way I usually do them, but a little bit more pointed. I did add some of Burgundy to my waterline, but I will go back later and add some black liner. I then topped it off with a MAC liquid lipstick, and then I'm putting on some mascara and adding shadows to the bottom lash line. And here is that liner I was talking about. This is Graph Black from MAC. I'm tight lining my entire eye with it. And then we are going to apply some lashes and my wig. Yay! This is one of my favorite wigs that I have. I don't wear it out. I don't know. I don't have the balls, and I don't think that I lay my wigs down very well, so. With that being said, I'm putting it on for the sake of this video because I feel like it went perfectly with this look. I'm adding these two little foam horns that I created. I literally just like freehand cut them from a piece of foam that I had just laying around. And then I'm adding some highlight from Artist Couture to everywhere and a little bit of gloss on the lips. And this is the final look. Alright you guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you recreate this, please make sure to hashtag BEAUTYBYJULIA. I want to see your work. I love to see you guys' stuff, and I love when you recreate my recreations or creations. As always, make sure to subscribe to me and check out all my other Halloween videos. I will put my Halloween playlist over here or over here, so you can check out all of my videos from this year, last year, and all the years prior, and just all of my Halloween videos to give you guys some inspiration. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.